Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Easy Craft. Hope so all my dear viewers are doing great. So dear viewers, today I am back with another amazing and beautiful Christmas centerpieces ideas. All the ideas are attractive and beautiful. Dear viewers, today in my video you can see a beautiful unique ideas about Christmas centerpieces. All the Christmas centerpieces increase the beauty and charm of your home decor. So watch the video till end, which is very helpful for your home decor. Keep supporting me. Your support is very important for me. Keep liking my videos. Tell me in the comment section which ideas you like. So stay blessed, stay happy. Most important things, subscribe my channel and don't forget to press bell icon for more amazing and beautiful updates. Thank you. Stay blessed.